everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband, and we have our kids with us today as well. Alright, so we are actually in Warsaw, and so we're just showing you the video footage, you know, of what it looks like coming from Warsaw. So we just left Carver's supermarket and we're heading down. In a little while we'll pass by the window. Gavin's shop. Alright.
So we did a video coming up the hill. So we do want to go back down now. So this one will show you what the place looks like when we're going down.
To the turn off here for all sides.
Yeah. You know, that's why we not talk much. We are snack. We're hungry. We are eat biscuit.
Wow.
Yes. So that's the health center out there. Roof gone too. See a house beside it. Tear down. So you get a better view going down.
Church in Warsaw, Trelawny.
See all over there, sir?
There's no roof on the church. Adventist church, that is.
So if you hear anything ruffle up at the biscuit, may I try to go to the back. Alright, so your place look like that. So when I go down the hill, you see enough more. Yeah. We'll eat more. What's this? So if you live a wait a bit and you want to drive go to Christian, you have to drive around Warsaw. Warsop you have to drive because you can go up Larmans. But this is a bottom Warsop now, we just past Lodge Road. Lodge Gate. We want to give them money a pass so you don't have to drive so fast. I know when people there behind you, you tend to go fast, you know? I'm going to do them, Paul. Go on. Alright, sir.
Boy, we really did that one.
May I come through? Am I kid that? I know my kid that. I think they talk about it. If you look straight across this one, I look down on New Hope. Yes, a free wash you give it, true? We'll soon get that. Just answer a question. I choose a free wash. May I have some? You want it? Alright.
Yes.
When you want it? Alright, sir. Stand bad. Let's see if we can stop and turn the camera over shortly. Bottom Chudleigh. The camera can't turn. Alright, sorry about that. Camera can't turn. Camera can't rotate. Now give them a blind. I don't know. Yeah, wait to hear it still. Alright. They might tell me thanks so. Now wait it. Alright, my boss.
Now wait 3 times.
Yes, me get it.
Every time I pass through here. Every time we pass through here, we drop in this big hole.
No, I can't see it. That's your water there.
Yeah.
Every time.
There's so much of this way, very cute.
Coconut water not taste good at all.
Then finish it.
You soon finish, man. So yes, so they call that some mad bump. Mad bump is where I go down to Springside. You never see your friend yet when you're parking. Yeah?
Yo.
They man didn't have no yam. They man give me a piece of yam there.
No.
You don't have no banana. What you have? No food. Monday? Give a piece of yam. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Peace and love, my brother.
Morning, June.
Hey, Geddes, what's up?
Yeah, man, me there here, good.
Where are you walking? Where far?
I took June, I drive, we go drop off something, so.
Oh,
I have
okay.
some business there, so I just walk, go.
Oh.
Try to go down and meet.
When I come on your hardware, come set up an account. That means say, you see if persons willing to donate to buy material to rebuild,
Then can send
they
it
send it to you. See? But me I come check you.
Alright. Yeah, man, then just split away.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Come on. So this road never usually that busy, you know. But you road on that Trelawny block off. Everybody will go Christian have to drive here, so we come from Christian. Once them I go Albertown, anywhere that end. Falmouth, Clarkstown, Jacksontown, right through.
The first time I served this is
Yeah. So it's busy now. So we just passed Springside and we're there at Dunkley Town now. All around us are Dunkley Town. So the place look.
Yeah.
So you see more when I go down the hill. So right here, so now, if you make the right here, you'll go up and Top New Hope. But we're not going to Top New Hope, we're going to Mandeville.
We're gonna go to Top New Hope one of these days.
Alright!
But not today. Hold on, let me see.
Yeah. Bunny,
Yeah.
may I eat one biscuit? You want one?
Hey, good evening.
Hi,
Hi,
Shelley.
Shelley. How you doing?
You want one pack?
Give me one pack.
Anything else you give
One
me?
pack of biscuit, yeah.
Anything else you give me?
No, no, you have to
Yeah, no,
drink,
let's go down there.
Lasco?
You have to share it with Shelley.
You want Lasco? You have Lasco. You can get some out of one pack where you use. You want it?
Vamos. What is it? Ready? Give me
Go
the
home.
Shelley, where you going with Bunny?
You want to do something for me, yeah, buddy?
I mean,
Till you take up one solar panel down a Marground for me. You never know, say I my one.
Then to take it for it.
No, you put it in a shop, you say they're in a storeroom. You can bring it down for me, please?
I mean,
When you do it? Try down later. When you come back, man, when you come back, come in and go there.
Alright, my boss. That's what we have to do for no phone now, can I?
Thanks,
Alright, later, thanks.
Alright. What happened? What's going on? You can't talk? You tongue tie? So, to make the right here, so I got Middle New Hope. This is Middle New Hope. See this sign right there to the right. But we're now going to Middle New Hope now. My friend.
Want me to do your parade, remember?
Oh yeah. Mom said we're not going now.
Yeah, that is Mass Nevis Lane.
Single lane traffic right here. 2 vehicles could have passed one time.
Someone else coming?
They're far. I think one car come on. Look for life.
Oh, okay.
I'm on one too. Let me see. But I don't know if I just want to see I come around when I park down the stomach, I see one car.
Okay.
Go on. Yeah, make it go on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Me say me I tell you say. As they light, before they even light, me hear knocking. Yes. Everybody have to help themselves. Yeah. My feel for yourself. But we are going on the road.
Alright, later.
Alright. Yes, sir. John. Everybody turn carpenter.
But you have to help themselves. At least I know so they can get covering over their head.
Then everybody carpenter know how to put on roof, you know, they know how to put on zinc. But they can't put on the roof.
Well, for the time being, I said have to go.
Yeah, because everybody are charged.
And maybe just do it like that until then, you know, everything kind of start to get back to normal.
So you can sit down a tire from here. So you see all of them houses, so you look on way over. That's a tire. So you go try square and make a right turn, you go in a tire, but we not go a tire now. Different mission with the pan. Oh, we passed. That's a Bottom New Hope with the pass. We never remember. Because we stop a chat. The right when we stop a chat to Shame a while ago. To make the right, you'd go in a Bottom New Hope.
Yeah.
Morning, sir. Alright.
Thank you. Sure.
So now if you make the right, you go a common road and that can go right in a straight to Tri Square around a tire. Tri Primary down there, so Tri Primary School. Look like they must clean up for reopen now. Down here is a single lane now. So the first person who enter, them have the right away. So we have to wait up there, so.
Well, they're waiting on us down there.
No, sir, man, then I wait. Then I say, man, come. Man, come up, man, I wait for nobody. What go on?
We're good.
Yes, my boss.
Alright, cool.
Pick up yourself. Alright. So looking up?
That's Manchel Park.
Yeah, Manchel.
Oh,
yes, a park, yes. Alright, if we go out the lane, we would go try. But we make a left now. This left brings it to Christiana.
Yeah.
Christiana.
So we're approaching the bridge. bridge that is the border. So, Trelawny and Manchester.
So we are on the border now. Trelawny and Manchester. If I just stand up in the middle at Trelawny and Manchester, 1 foot over. Yes. So this is the bridge, this is the border. So over there, so Manchester, we just come over, yes.
And the last time when we did that journey to the last time we did the journey to Christiana, we started at Top Chudleigh. So persons were saying they have not seen Bottom Chudleigh. So we're doing Bottom Chudleigh now, so you can have an idea what it looks like.
So most of them people when say I come through, I first and come here, so then just then just beg we a little blight to come through for now. Yeah, so we give them a blight. They could have just carry some little patch or something so we can patch out some of them bad road. Everybody just carry one in their chunk and we fix it.
One patch.
One patch, hot patch. Pro patch. So this is Bottom Chudleigh, Manchester. They call we are going to enter Clark Hill. So they call up there so Clark Hill. I don't know why, because I don't know if I know nobody up there named Clark. They say Clark Hill. Yes. So you can see what happened to the house them now. Up here, so. Great day! Alright. Fix back this up.
Yeah.
But the free and fall right now is not the fresh, not you?
Yeah, it's fresh.
Yeah. Right,
Yeah, it's dropping into a lot of potholes.
So over Forest, brown. But they say it, by Saturday, everything turned brown.
Somebody was asking why you say it won't turn brown.
So you see it to our left, straight ahead to our left is Warsop.
So tell them why it turned brown.
Yeah man, then she say Melissa eat off the head them man.
Yeah, so.
Well, it's eat off the head I tree them so they want to turn brown. See that?
Dry up.
Dry up. So this is a Clark Hill. I call it Bottom Chudleigh. Yes.
Hey.
Alright, Gully Monkey.
Alright.
Yeah. I am telling you the same name, you know, we are giving no name. Yes. So we are share the road.
Oh.
Hello? Around at the shop, blood down, man? I just build up. I tell you, everywhere clear, man. You can't see everywhere. When we in our yard, they say, you can't do nothing, no privacy. You have to go build up one little, you know?
Yeah, seen everywhere.
First time I could have grown a little corner, go, you know, but you can't do nothing. You have to start in I neighbor them they're near so still. Can't just whisper to them now. Yes. So Bottom Chudleigh. We have enough house off road, you know, like down on the bottom side and top side, but
King Kong.
drive through. So they have one part there, so it look like they might give away food today, you know.
There's a man there.
No, if a man did they sell it, I sell.
Okay.
Once one man did they. Morning, sir. Alright. Yes, sir, yeah. See all of the yam stick them blow down up there, sir. banana head broke off. Yes, so this is Bottom Chudleigh. All who don't know and who want to see them area. What you say, Big Belly man? Everything good?
That one, give thanks.
Alright, sir.
Alright.
Yes. See it? Oh, one carpenter that.
The real one.
Yeah, real carpenter. Dudley! Yes, Bottom Chudleigh. Yeah? Indian. So it look like them a give a zinc. See if I can get 2 sheet figure put on for build back Mass Navy house.
Now you think.
Arthur,
No.
give me 2 sheet of zinc there.
How about good,
It's good already, man.
yeah, man. Make sure you can treat me. Yeah?
That's how you treat me?
Because that's what we can treat that.
No, treat me good, man.
Bang on the bounce.
I'm muddy the pan.
Alright.
You see place muddy.
Alright.
Alright. You know, give me zinc. I'm not ashamed still, you know.
That's the win.
So we're still there, Bottom Chudleigh, yes. Why you deal with ants?
Can a little brother come through and come out here?
Oh, which one of them are your little brother?
David.
David, are your little brother?
Same thing.
Oh, peace and love, sir. You find them?
Where your brother name again?
You know, so I don't have no brother though. Yeah, cousin.
One to do the speech with the organization, right?
Oh, Kevin?
Kevin.
Oh, I'm a cousin now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
So no can't make no link, so now have to come in.
Yeah, I would tell you.
Look like we have to go have more Melissa. So right here, so Fred, you know, see me must see there at church. Fred gone at church.
They get the message.
See church here, so. See church at 7-day Adventist. The door open?
No, on church today.
So when they locking shop door cars on Saturday at church. Yes. So guys, we thank you for journeying with us. We like on the company. No like, me love on the company. Me thank you now. So may I say, I will go show you enough more places, you know. Enough more. But you know, so we have to do it day by day. Yes. So most of the time we just drive around Jamaica. Oh no. Not Jamaica. Alright.
Still in Bottom Chudleigh or we reach Top Chudleigh?
You know, it's Top Chudleigh yet.
Hey!
Yeah. Yes. We're still there, Bottom Chudleigh. Hello. I look for your husband down there, so I don't see him. Yeah. Where you go? You know we? Cause me no want to take no ride for no stranger. Come on here, sir. Come on here, sir.
Yes.
How far make sure to walk come?
Let's do, oh my, I think we should have gone over there.
I choke, I'm here. I hand me here a blast in on the car.